Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Rajneet. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of self-sponsoring a visa in the UK. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an experienced business professional, this video will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Understanding visa options. There are several visa options for self-sponsoring in the UK, including the Innovator Visa, Startup Visa, Sole Representative Visa, and even the Skilled Worker Visa if you plan to sponsor yourself through your own company. Let's dive into each one. Innovator Visa. General requirements. 1. Age must be at least 18 years old. 2. Endorsement must be endorsed by an approved UK endorsing body. 3. Investment funds. Minimum investment of £50,000 from any legitimate source. 4. Business plan. The business idea must be innovative, viable, and scalable. 5. Maintenance funds. Sufficient personal savings to support yourself, at least £1,270 for 28 consecutive days before applying. Documentation. 1. Endorsement letter from an approved endorsing body. 2. Evidence of investment funds. 3. Business plan. 4. Proof of maintenance funds. 5. Passport and travel history. 6. English language proficiency, at least CFR level B2, equivalent to IELTS 5.5 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Startup visa, general requirements. 1. Age, must be at least 18 years old. 2. Endorsement, must be endorsed by an approved UK endorsing body. 3. Business plan, the business idea must be new, innovative, and viable. 4. Maintenance funds, sufficient personal savings to support yourself, at least £1,270 for 28 consecutive days before applying. Documentation. 1. Endorsement letter from an approved endorsing body. 2. Business plan. 3. Proof of maintenance funds. 4. Passport and travel history. 5. English language proficiency, at least CFR level B2, equivalent to I5.5 in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Sole Representative Visa. General requirements. 1. Employment. Must be a senior employee of an overseas business. 2. Role. The sole representative setting up a UK branch or wholly owned subsidiary. 3. Ownership. Cannot be a major shareholder in the overseas business. 4. Experience. Extensive industry-related experience and knowledge. 5. Maintenance funds. Sufficient personal savings to support yourself. Documentation. 1. Letter from employer, confirming your position, experience, and purpose of the UK presence. 2. Business plan, outline of the UK branch subsidiary. 3. Proof of employment. 4. Proof of ownership, evidence that you are not a major shareholder. 5. Passport and travel history. 6. English language proficiency, at least CFR level A1 basic level. Skilled worker visa, self-sponsored through your own company. General requirements. 1. Your company must have a sponsor license. 2. Job role. The role must meet the skill level requirement, RQF level 3 or above. 3. Salary. Must meet the minimum salary threshold, typically £26,200 per year, or the going rate for the job, whichever is higher. 4. English language proficiency, at least CFR level B1, intermediate level. Documentation. 1. Sponsor license. Evidence that your company is a licensed sponsor. 2. Certificate of sponsorship, issued by your company. 3. Job description and salary details. 4. Proof of qualifications, relevant to the job. 5. Passport and travel history. 6. Proof of maintenance funds, if your sponsor does not certify maintenance. General steps for application. 1. Prepare documentation. Gather all necessary documents as per the specific visa requirements. 2. Endorsement. Secure endorsement if required, Innovator or Startup Visa. 3. Submit online application. Apply through the UK government visa portal. 4. Biometrics appointment. Attend an appointment to provide fingerprints and a photograph. 5. Decision. Wait for a decision on your visa application. Meeting these requirements and providing thorough documentation is crucial for successfully obtaining a self-sponsor visa in the UK.